What is up, everybody? We are back with another video. I am so happy to be back making videos again. Life has just been absolutely hectic. Been dealing with the 636. Been getting some work done on the Gixxer, and it's just been, the weather's been bad. It's just been a nightmare. So we are back with another video, and I've got a surprise for you. Alright guys, so as I said, I've got a big surprise. There's just been so many new things going on. I've got a new editor starting to do all my editing, so that'll free up some time, hopefully get more content out to you guys. But the biggest thing right now for me is being new to British Columbia. I felt like I had to up the motorcycle game. So I hope you guys all enjoy. Here it is. So there it is, my first brand new motorcycle. I got this thing with 30 kilometers on it. Absolutely in love with this thing. I've got almost 2K on it now. She's a little dirty, but I had to get out. I had to get some film on it now that I'm kind of more comfortable with the motorcycle. So let's take it out for a spin. Love that V-twin. So something that's new to me, typically I'm into 4-cylinder inline fours, that sort of thing. So this is my first V-twin. Again, it's 2018 Suzuki V-Strom 1000. I had to go with the 1000. I can't not have 1000cc. I love them. So I bought this thing. It was new old stock, 2018. It was on the showroom floor, almost no kilometers. I think there was like 32 when I bought it. And I road tested a BMW GS 1200. I looked at a couple of Triumph Tigers. I looked at KLR, and I couldn't help but feel like I wanted an adventure bike, but I know I'm not going to be riding a whole bunch of backcountry. And that's where this Suzuki fell into place for me. Suzuki did a beautiful job taking their sport touring chassis, giving it some adventure looks, a little beefier suspension. But I mean, it's got that beak on it, it's got the adventure looks. I absolutely love this thing. I played a little bit on dirt with it. It's a lot of fun. I've taken this thing, I think the longest trip I've taken on this right now is probably 600k, 700 kilometers or so. And aside from being a little bit saddle sore, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. It's certainly a different riding style than what I'm used to on a sport bike. But man, oh man, I cannot get enough of this thing. So yeah, let's go park this thing somewhere and talk a little bit about all the mods that are on it. Alright guys, here we are in this thing's natural habitat, gravel roads. So anyways, I just wanted to talk a little bit about what this thing's got going on. It's certainly got a lot of aftermarket options that they had on the bike prior to selling it. I'm assuming that was an incentive to try and sell it. Anyways, this thing is my baby now. So on the back here we've got a GV case. It didn't have the side panniers that I wanted, but you know what, I can get those later. I'm glad it's got the top case. That thing is super helpful, carries my lunch to work from holding my helmet. This thing's, it's good. It's nice having some storage on the motorcycle. On the side here, we've got some GV crash cages along with a GV skid plate underneath this thing that just protects anything from getting too close to the oil filter, which is basically wide open over there. I'll show you on the other side. Again, GV kickstand pad. These kickstands from factory, they're basically just flattened metal and bent out, so they kind of went cheap. But you know what, that's why this motorcycle was able to stay let's say $5,000 to $8,000 cheaper than motorcycles in the same class. So this thing is so much more affordable compared to like the Triumph I was looking at, the GS, the KLR, as well as KTM Super Adventure. So up front we've got the again, GV. I'm really liking their product so far. They got the double windshield. It's nice, allows some air through there, so it gets rid of that buffeting when the wind comes over the windshield and hits the helmet. You kind of get that bobbling going on. Suzuki was ingenious with their windshield design. You can actually adjust it in 3 stages. We got 1, 2, 3, and it's just on a little ratcheting mechanism. I just keep it on 3. It gets the wind over the helmet nice and easy. I've got no wind force coming into the helmet, neither does Miranda when she's on the back, so more than enough wind protection. As you can tell, it saves my helmet from more than a few bugs as well. It's nice that Suzuki comes factory with these hand guards. They're a little on the cheaper plastic side. You know, you need to beef them up if you're getting into some heavier bush. This is actually a whole bunch, this is actually all single track area for motocross and dirt bike guys. I'm certainly not trying to go through there. I don't need to dump a brand new bike just yet, so we're holding off on that. Daytona Motorsports and Siri, they were absolutely phenomenal to deal with. They were quick, easy to get this motorcycle underneath me, so super helpful guys. One day I'll do exhaust. I certainly want to get some sharper foot pegs just to help with some foot traction on stuff like this. There's some other off-road mods I'd like to do, but other than that, and yeah guys, that's my brand new 2018 V-Strom. Again, I am absolutely head over heels in love with this thing. The torque it's got, the wind protection, it's super comfy to go on long trips. I can't say any bad things about this. So yeah, let's go play. Even in a stand-up riding position, this thing is beyond comfortable. But this is kind of what it was designed for. Yeah, I don't know if you can see down in there all the different single tracks that they've got over there. On both sides of this mountain, actually. Man, is this thing fun. But anyways guys, that's going to do it for me for this video. Again, sorry it's been so long since I filmed anything. I will get more footage out there now that everything's kind of a routine. World's getting back to normal. New bike under me. If you guys have any questions, feel free, ask down in the bottom there. If you like the video, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you all in the next video. Peace.